30 rates estimates a 0.5% rise in render by tomorrow. Before anything else, let's see what's happening on the chart. Right now, render has moved up by 0.2% in the past 24 hours and is holding around $1.324. Now on to the expert forecast set. Based on 30 rates' data, the price could touch $1.331 by August 10, an increase of roughly 0.5%. Render is likely to head toward $1.325 per traders union, with an expected increase of 0.1%. CoinLore highlights the possibility of dropping to $1.32, an estimated loss close to 0.3%. Another projection from CoinDataFlow indicates render may slide to $1.27, a loss estimated at 4.1%. That wraps the analyst part. Let's keep moving. Now that the forecasts are clear, let's dive into the numbers. Taking all four forecasts into account, we could see the price move anywhere between a decrease of 4.1% and a gain of 0.5%, depending on the analyst. To sum it up, CoinDataFlow offers the highest forecast with 4.1% gain in value by tomorrow. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $1 and $41 for every $1,000 you invest. According to volatility analysis, Traders Union's forecast has a 82.7% likelihood of being right. With all four forecasts in mind, I've assembled a consensus scenario. Consensus modeling suggests render is centered around $1.312. Let's walk through the details. Consensus expectations call for a 0.9% reduction in value. That translates into your capital growing by approximately 0.9% too. On each $1,000 invested, the outcome might suggest roughly $9 in potential upside. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 76.2%. Let's turn our attention to the 3-day projections. 30 rates anticipates render drifting sideways without decisive action from buyers or sellers. Traders Union expects render to head lower. CoinLore anticipates render holding close to current levels. CoinDataFlow believes the chart points to a decline. Consensus projections point to a weaker market for render over the next 3 days. Bringing everything together, 75% of forecasts suggest render is likely to decline. 2 days back, 4 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. In the end, the closing candle marked $1.323. 2 out of 4 analysts ended up correct about the trend. When it comes to precision, CoinDataFlow delivered the closest forecast. Here comes the breakdown. In this case, 3 forecasts landed inside yesterday's move. And about ROI, a few profitable outcomes appeared, topped by Gov Capital with 1.9%. And here's the daily recap, the full picture of forecast accuracy in one frame. The table includes CoinDataFlow with 81.8% forecast probability accuracy and 0.2% ROI. Take a moment. Who do you think made the most accurate forecast? Now take a look at how the expected returns for tomorrow vary across different assets and render. Render isn't on top in this comparison since KuCoin token currently leads with 1.9% potential growth. Here render is compared with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more is already ready on my website. That's it for today. Subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's forecasts. Take care and see you in the next one.